Welcome to ItzRafiq. In today's video, we are going to discuss the half-yearly question paper of Nalbari district 2021 class 10 computer science. So this computer science paper was for 80 marks theory and 20 marks practical. আৰু এখন পেপাৰত মেইনলি theoretical questions আহিছে ইয়াত কোডিংৰ পৰা বিশেষ একো আহা নাই XML tree আহা নাই XML code আহা নাই HTML or code আহা নাই so totally based on theoretical questions. First there was true and false for 7 marks, and normally true and false doesn't come this way in Kamrup district or board papers, but it came in traditional way. YMAX offer a range about 83 miles. This one is false. Actually it offers within 25 to 50 miles. You can attach a picture to an email message. Yes, it is true. The value of width attribute of the image can be specified by pixels only. It is false. You can also give percentage. Then number D, only a single word can be used as hyperlink. It is false. You can also set as a group of word or picture. A is an empty element. False. It is a container. A website can contain 4 web pages at the most. False. It can have as much it want. Attribute values should be surrounded by double quotes. If it is for XML, then it is true. For HTML, sometimes it is not necessary. Number 2, fill in the blanks. Internet is a global network of networks. The inbox folder contains the details of incoming messages. Means from features of the email, one fill in the blanks will sure come. So you see the features like inbox, outbox, draft and all. The IMG tag is an empty element. It doesn't have any clues. If you want to create an email link, you have to add mail to before the address. .xml is the extension of XML file. The hash sign lets the browser know that destination is an internal link. XML tag is case sensitive. Then number 3, short questions. First one is what is internet? Write the definition of internet. Then what is server? Write the definition of server. Then the first graphical web browser, it is Mosaic. What is web surfing? Exploring information on the web is called web surfing. What is attachment? The file that we can send with email messages is known as attachment. What is the use of TD? It is used to create an individual block or cell in a table. What happened to the shape of the mouse pointer? It changes to a small hand. XML stands for extensible markup language. The first line of XML is called processor directive. What is the root element? The topmost element of an XML document is called root element. Now here are some long questions, not long exactly, short questions only, but for 2 marks. What is IP address? Why it is used? The unique address of a computer is known IP address. Sorry, I have did here typing mistake. It should be the unique address of a computer system on a network is called IP address. It is used to exchange information between computers. Then what is the data transfer rate and data transfer range of a coaxial cable? Now rate means the speed and range means how much distance it can cover. Coaxial cable can transfer data transfer at 100 Mbps, means 100 MB per second, and range is about 500 meter maximum. What do you mean by the World Wide Web? WW is an internet-based network of server that is interconnected through hypertext. It contains billions of web pages that connected to each others. Mentions the protocols commonly used for networking with the internet. You can write TCP IP and IP. Mention the 2 parts of an email address with the example. The 2 parts are hostname and username. For example, abc@gmail.com. Here abc is the username and gmail.com is the hostname. 2 properties of TD tag that you can write with, and their values. You can write text align and vertical align, and values are for text align left, right, center, vertical align top, middle, bottom. Identify the errors. Here at first the table should be in small letters, the brackets should be curly braces, and border not 2 inch, 2px, solid, then red, semicolon, empty cells, empty, then dash cells, colon, so again semicolon, caption, dash, side, and 1 value, top or bottom you can write anyone, then bracket close. So this one will be the answer of this one corrected code. And number 8, What is the href attribute of a tag? Href attribute of a tag is used to set the URL of the target resource. For example, a href URL, then a close. Difference between router and a modem. This came from the first chapter. You can write exactly same as from the book. Who govern the internet? No one governs the internet, but different group are formed, or different volunteer groups are formed to maintain the working of the internet. Some groups are, you can write some names like AIB, ICAN, W3C, etc. Mention any two advantages of using email. Cost, speed. This one you can write. What is the use of IMG tag? Explain any two attribute. IMG tag is used to insert image to a web page. Two attributes are src, height. What is the use of hyperlink? Hyperlink is to connect one web page to another. The different type of hyperlinks are internal, local, and global. As here 3 marks, you can write explanation for each type. Internal, it connect the web page within the current document. Local, it connect the web pages within the same folder. Global, it connect the web pages outside the website or the computer. Then long questions. Write the difference between XML and HTML. 4 marks, that's why 4 points. First point is full form, second point it's predefined, and for XML it is user defined. For HTML, elements name are not case sensitive. For XML, element names are case sensitive, and closing is optional in HTML, but XML it is compulsory. Then number B, the 4 naming rules exactly same as, you can write same as book. So I have copied from book only, that one only you can write. Then 2 task forces of AIB, you can write ETF and RTF with their explanation. Then what is the use of SMTP and POP3? Simple mail transfer protocol. It is used when email is delivered from one email client to a email server. POP3, it allow email client to download email from an email server. POP3 is simple and it does not offer many features. SMTP mainly to send the email, and POP3 to receive email or download email. Then short notes. First one, e-reservation. You can write about e-reservation that no need to learn the book one exactly. You can write yourself that e-reservation we can use it to book railway ticket, movie ticket and all. There are different type of there are different e-reservation websites, some of them are, then you can give some examples. Then next short note is e-learning. Same e-learning also you can make your own and you can write. You can also give example like Byju's, Topper, Unacademy, etc. Then e-commerce. E-commerce also you can write yourself that buying, selling the things on the internet is known as e-commerce. There are many advantages of e-commerce. You can add few. After that give example Flipkart, Amazon, etc. And different kind also, different model of e-commerce are B2B, B2C, C2C, and digital middleman. So these are the questions of Nalbari district class 10 computer science for half yearly examination 2021. The paper was not that tough, it was easy only, and all the questions are theoretical basis. But for the Kamrup district or other district, you can see the codes also, you can see XML3 and all. Don't think that the question will be only theoretical only. So thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.